Got $500 saved up? Instead of letting it sit in your bank account doing nothing, what if you could start investing and actually grow that money? Today, I'll show you step by step exactly how to invest $500 in the USA, even if you're a complete beginner. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're serious about building wealth and learning to invest smart, hit that subscribe button. Let's jump in. Step 1. Secure your emergency fund. Before we start investing, rule number 1. Make sure you have an emergency fund. That means at least $500 to $1,000 set aside in a high-yield savings account. Life happens. Your car breaks down, or you get a surprise bill. You don't want to pull money out of your investments too soon. So first, lock a portion of your $500 in a savings account that earns interest. Step 2. Choose a brokerage app. Next, open a beginner-friendly investment account. Apps like Robinhood, Webull, Fidelity, or Charles Schwab are perfect for U.S. beginners. They're free, easy to use, and most of them let you start with as little as $1 thanks to fractional shares. That means even if Amazon stock is $3,000, you can still buy a tiny piece of it for just a few bucks. Step 3. Start with ETFs, low risk. Now, let's invest. If you're new, the safest option is ETFs, exchange-traded funds. Think of them as baskets of top companies. For example, the S&P 500 ETF, ticker SPY or VOOO, gives you exposure to Apple, Microsoft, Google, and 497 other big companies, all in one share. With just $100 to $200, you can own a slice of the U.S. economy. Step 4. Diversify with fractional shares. After ETFs, use part of your $500 to buy fractional shares of companies you believe in long-term. Love Tesla, Apple, or Amazon. Instead of needing $1,000 plus, you can invest $50 or $100 into each. This way, your portfolio is diversified and not dependent on just one company. Step 5. Set and forget. Finally, don't overthink it. Investing isn't about day trading or gambling. The trick is to invest consistently and let compound growth do the work. Even if you just add $50 or $100 every month, in 10 years, that small $500 can turn into thousands. The earlier you start, the better. So there you go. 5 simple steps to invest your first $500 as a beginner in the USA. Build an emergency fund. Open a brokerage app. Start with ETFs. Diversify with fractional shares, and stay consistent. Don't wait for the perfect moment. The best time to start investing is today. If this video gave you clarity, smash the like button, subscribe for more investing tips, and comment below. What's the first stock or ETF you'd invest your $500 in? I'd love to hear your picks.